Catalog number 23, Damon's Fairy, a liver chestnut mare born in June 2018. Her size is 1,67 m or 16.2 hands. She's by Damon, Florestan 1 and Accent 2. A pretty and highly likable mare in the sought-after liver chestnut jacket. Equipped with 3 very good basic gaits and a top interior, Damon's Fairy wants to please every day. A great lady or youth riding horse. Diageo by DiMaggio is a descendant of the first generation. The second generation brought the licensed stallions Piclabionics, Di Carpentry and Dynamic as well as Beltoni. And the Grand Prix horse Duke of Britain of Frederick Van Dres. They were member of the winning Nations Cup team in Aachen this year. And it's the dam line of the licensed Granus by Graphite, Prinz Regent by Pilot and Donnerklang by Donnerhall, also of the Grand Prix dressage horse Willie the Great.